Hello, welcome to Dangesa's Commerce Academy. Subject Organization of Commerce and Management for Standard 12th. First chapter name is for 12th Commerce, Principles of Management. But from viewpoint of the management, in 11th class, meaning of management, features of management, levels of management, you have studied. Now question is that, what do you mean by management? For the sake of remembering from the point of the students, I am repeating, what do we mean by management in simple words? Management means get work done from the other people. What do you mean by management? Management means get work done from the other people. इतरांच्याकडून काम करून घेण्याची कला म्हणजे व्यवस्थापन होय. 11वीच्या वर्गामध्ये आपण व्यवस्थापन किंवा मॅनेजमेंट बद्दल शिकलेलो आहात. त्याचबरोबर फीचर्स ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट. लास्ट इयर यू हॅव स्टडीड इन 11th क्लास फीचर्स ऑफ द management, as well as you have studied in last year levels of management. What are the types of the levels of management? There are 3 types of levels of management. That is top level management. It consists of board of directors. Middle level management. It consists of second level top people, or that we can say managers, etc. And lower level management, that is foremen, branch managers, etc. So these aspects you have studied in the last year. Management means to manage the people, to manage the material, to manage the machinery. It is known as the. Now, from the point of the management, management is key to success in obtaining goals of organization. What do you mean by management? Management is a key to success in obtaining goals of the organization. व्यवसाय संघटनेचं यश संपादन करणे किंवा उद्दिष्टे संपादन करण्याची ही एक कला आहे व्यवस्थापन. Management is one of the source of organization like machine, material and money. Okay. What do you mean by management? Management is one of the source of organization like machine, material and money. म्हणजे व्यवसाय संघटनेमध्ये व्यवस्थापनाचा मार्ग कोणता आहे? जसे की त्या व्यवसाय संघटनेमध्ये मशीन, मटेरियल आणि मनी याचं व्यवस्थापन करणे. फॉर एस्टॅब्लिशिंग कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन ऑल अदर सोर्सेस ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन, मॅनेजमेंट इज नेसेसरी फॉर एस्टॅब्लिशिंग कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन द ऑल अदर सोर्सेस ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन. In each and every business organization, there should be coordination between the different departments of the organization. जे व्यवसाय संघटनेचे वेगवेगळे डिपार्टमेंट असतात त्याच्यामध्ये कोऑर्डिनेशन असलं पाहिजे. व्हॉट डू मीन बाय कोऑर्डिनेशन? एक सूत्रीपणा, एक जनसीपणा. लाईक अ परचेस डिपार्टमेंट, सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट, कॅश डिपार्टमेंट. These are the different departments in the organization. There should be coordination. It is possible with the help of management. Okay. Hence it is necessary to know the management. म्हणून व्यवस्थापनाची माहिती असणं प्रत्येकाला आवश्यक आहे. There are various principles of management. व्यवसायाचं व्यवस्थापन करत असताना इथं वेगवेगळ्या तत्वांचा अभ्यास करावा लागेल. There are various principles. अनेक तत्व आहेत. Okay. These principles used in changing from organization to organization, person to person, situation to situation. Means these principles are universal. They are applicable to small business, big business. हे व्यवस्थापनाची तत्वे सर्व व्यवसाय संघटनांना लागू पडतात. व्यवसाय छोटा असू दे, मोठा असू दे, बरोबर? तर तो नफा मिळण्यासाठी व्यवसाय असू दे किंवा नॉन प्रॉफिट ओरिएंटेड बिझनेस असू दे. या नाउ लिसन अबाउट द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रिन्सिपल. But before I want to begin the actual meaning of the principle of management or the principle only meaning, before that I would like to point out the students that they must have to purchase the textbook recommended by the board. It will be more convenient to student to understand the each and every concept of that the principles of management or any other subject also. If you are having the book, your concentration will be there, what I am explaining. Otherwise, with the help of only online teaching, you are unable to understand the some concepts. So it is my request to use people that you must buy the textbook recommended by the board, which I am going to refer henceforth. Okay, so now, meaning of principle. To achieve business goals of an individual or an organization, it is important to use different systems or techniques. Some of these techniques are accepted universally all over the world, hence they are called as the principles. व्यवसाय संघटनेचे उद्दिष्टे साध्य करण्यासाठी व्यक्ती असू दे, व्यवसाय संघटना असू दे, त्यांच्यासाठी हे तत्व किंवा प्रिन्सिपल्स or the system or technique which is accepted by the all over the world, संपूर्ण जगभर या तत्वांचा वापर स्वीकारलेला आहे. Hence they are called as a म्हणून त्यांना व्यवस्थापनाची तत्वे असे म्हणतात. Once again I would like to repeat that it is the meaning to achieve business goals of an individual or an organization. It is important to use the different systems or techniques. Systems or techniques is nothing but the rules of the business, how to conduct the business smoothly, how to run the business smoothly, and how to earn more and more profit. थोडक्यामध्ये हे जे काही सिस्टीम आहे किंवा टेक्निक आहे याचा वापर करून व्यवसायामध्ये नफा कसा मिळवावा याबद्दल उल्लेख असतो. आणि या प्रकारचे हे सिस्टीम्स आणि टेक्निक संपूर्ण जगभर त्यांना मान्यता प्राप्त झाली आहे, म्हणून त्याला प्रिन्सिपल्स असं म्हणतात. नाउ लिसन दॅट principles guide to the manager or owner to take effective decisions and apply to obtain business goals. These principles guide to the manager to take effective decisions about the business and how that principle should be applied to achieve the business goals. व्यवसाय संघटनेचे उद्दिष्टे साध्य करण्यासाठी या तत्वांचा परिणामकारकपणे आणि त्याची निर्णयाची अंमलबजावणी कशी होईल यासाठी हे मदत करतात प्रिन्सिपल्स किंवा तत्वे. नाउ सेकंडली, प्रिन्सिपल हेल्प्स टू मॅनेजर और ओनर टू कंडक्ट ऑल बिझनेस ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑन स्पेसिफिक बेस. ही जी काही प्रिन्सिपल्स आहेत त्या व्यवसायाच्या मालकाला किंवा व्यवस्थापकाला बिझनेस कसा संचलन करावा, टू कंडक्ट द बिझनेस ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, एक विशिष्ट पातळीवर तो कसा करावा किंवा विशिष्ट परिस्थितीत तो कसा चालवावा याबाबत दिस प्रिन्सिपल्स आर हेल्पिंग टू द बिझनेसमॅन ऑर ओनर ऑर मॅनेजर. डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्रिन्सिपल that just I will today read it or go through. Principle is defined as fundamental truth and proposition that serves as the foundation for system of belief or behavior or for a chain of reasoning. So before concluding today the concerned topics, today's aspect, principles of management, that is the definition. Its explanation I will continue in the next lecture. Before concluding my lecture, I would like to say you that if you purchase the textbooks recommended by the Maharashtra board, it will be more convenient to you people that to go through the concerned subjects each and every chapter. Otherwise, the nature of question paper is somewhat different for the as per new syllabus. So it is necessary that I request that you must have a textbook. If you like my teaching, explaining, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.